We are now going to stitch on the koala's nose and mouth. It's going to be between rounds 7 and 9. So starting from the top right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is right here, 8, 9. So we're going to be working in between these two right here. So come up through the bottom to round 7, pull it, leaving a little extra, and then we're going to come to the side right here, and then come down to the other side right here, and we are going to fill in this little triangle. So keep doing it until it's completely filled in, switching from the left side to the right side. Once it is filled in, go ahead and come down to fill in your last one, and then come back up to the left side. And then we're going to make a little triangle on the bottom. Come one stitch down, and then back up to the other side, back down through the center, and then down through the bottom of the head. And then your little koala mouth is stitched on. Once you have the head and the body stuffed, you want to go ahead and grab your yarn needle, and we are going to stitch them together. You should be able to just attach it to where, see where I finished off right here, and then also where I finished off right here, right where your 2 stitch markers were. If you go ahead and attach it right there, it should place the belly right in the front where it should be, and all we're going to do is whip stitch it together. So go ahead and grab the body, and then grab a loop on the head, and then we're just going to repeat that around. So grab a loop from the body, and then grab one from the head, and we will just repeat that all the way around. Making sure that the front of the belly, the pink part right there, is in the middle. And then once you have gone all the way around, go ahead and tie a knot. And then we will just weave it in a couple times back and forth. So when I tie a knot, see how it has that little loop right there? I just like to put my my needle right through it. Then I'll tie a little knot. And then this we can just weave back and forth a couple times. And then go ahead and cut it off. And now your body is attached. We're now going to go ahead and sew on the little arms. They are going to be between rounds 8 and 9. So counting from the bottom right here, count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So it's going to be right here on this row. We're going to go right on the side, pull it through, and then once the arm is in the spot, there's about 2 stitches on each side of the pink right here. You can go ahead and go through the arm and then through the body. We're just going to whip stitch it on. Grab the arm and then go through the body, and then do it one more time, the arm and the body. Once it's on there, nice and good, I'm actually gonna grab this edge over here. Once it's on there, do one more. Then we can go ahead and tie it with a knot. So go ahead and insert it down in, come up, and then this little loop right here, just go ahead and put it through, pull it tight, and then we're gonna weave it back and forth a couple times, and then we will go ahead and cut it off. And then you will do the same thing to the other side. We're going to go ahead and sew on the little foot. It is going to be between rounds 4 and 5. So counting from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right here, go ahead and add your needle. And then just grab it through the side right there, and you'll pull up the foot. You want to make sure to try and get them as even as you can. This will be your first one. So you're going to go ahead and grab part of the foot and then go through the body. And then we are just going to repeat that all the way around. So grab the foot and then go through the body. Go through the foot and then through the body. Through the foot, through the body, and we're just repeating that around and around. And then once you have it all the way around, we're going to do our little knot. So pull it and then stick it through the little hole. Pull it tight and then go ahead and weave it through a couple times back and forth. And then go ahead and cut it off. And then you will repeat the exact same thing on the other side. Now to sew on the ears, they are going to be between rounds at 5 and 7. So starting from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on round 6, I'm going to go ahead and just grab it like that, and then pull it through, making sure, I don't know if you can tell the difference, this is the back, this is the front. The front kind of curves a little bit towards you, and then you want to try and make it as the middle of the head as possible, and then try and make them look the same. So go ahead and insert through the ear, and then back down through the head. And you want to do this about 3 times. Through the ear. And my yarn. Let's try that again. Go down through the ear. And through the head, and do it one more time and grab it a little bit more up here. Just wanting to make sure that it's nice and secure and you're trying to get them to look as close to the same as you can. So I'm going to tie my little knot, so go ahead and insert into the head. And then in that little loop, go ahead and put your needle through and then pull it tight. And then we're going to weave this back and forth a couple times. And then you can go ahead and cut it off. And then your cute little ears are on. We are just going to grab our keychain right here and open it up. And then we are simply just going to attach it onto the top of the head, and then your cute little koala keychain is done. I hope you guys enjoyed making this.